Vinyl plank floors are trash. Laminate flooring is trash. These are the comments I receive from viewers every day on my channel. How can people have such different opinions on their flooring choices? I think it's because it depends on what qualities you're looking for in your new flooring. Laminate flooring was invented to solve a common problem. You see, hardwood flooring was incredibly expensive to purchase and had to be professionally installed. Laminate plank flooring solved that problem. Laminate simply snaps together and becomes a floating floor, and it is not attached to the subfloor. This meant any homeowner, any DIYer could install their own flooring. While laminate flooring is now 30 years old, it has stood the test of time, but it does have its drawbacks, namely water. If installed in a high moisture area, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, exterior doors, the composite will get swollen up with water damage and have damage. The composite planks will swell right up and get water damaged. Another problem was cutting it and fabricating the flooring. It was just like a wood construction project. It requires special knowledge to install, especially when cutting around door jambs. Introducing LVP, or luxury vinyl floor planks. Now, LVP vinyl floor planks were designed to have easy installation of any snap lock system. It completely solved the moisture problem of laminate. Now, LVP plank flooring is 100% waterproofing. You can install it in kitchens, basements, bathrooms, exterior doors, anywhere you want. LVP plank flooring is incredibly easy to cut. No special knowledge here. All you need is a knife, any sharp knife, like a utility knife, will simply cut it and snap it. It's literally that easy. LVP sounds like the perfect solution to homeowners' problems, right? Well, why is the current trend away from LVP plank flooring and towards laminate flooring? It has to do with the LVP plank flooring manufacturing them way too thin, too wavy. Viewers tell me they spend thousands of dollars to have LVP installed only to have problems in a very short period of time, such as the locking mechanism snapping and the appearance of the floor looking uneven and waviness. LVP has to be installed in a very flat floor. It is not forgiving. Any uneven spots will show, and the locking system is too thin and too weak, and it might snap right off. Let's talk cost. Now, in my area, with both LVP vinyl plank flooring and laminate flooring, they're similar in cost, although LVP sometimes appears to be a little bit more. However, LVP already comes with the underlayment pad already attached, while most laminates do not. A common complaint with laminate floors is the cheap tinny sound when you walk across them. This can be greatly improved with a quality underlayment pad installed first, but of course that makes the laminate flooring installation more expensive. I think if you're purchasing a new floor and high moisture is not your primary concern, you will be very happy with laminate floors, as it is thicker and stronger than LVP, and it's offered in many colors and grain textures. And the most popular manufacturers now are making a waterproof claim on their label, saying it's 100% waterproof, although it's still too early to know for sure how long this waterproofing claim will hold up. If moisture and water is not your primary concern, or if you have pets, then you may be happier with LVP, luxury vinyl plank flooring. It is so easy to install, so easy to clean, and stain resistant. It can be installed in any level of your house, including basements. Let me know if you are shopping for new flooring, or if you have already purchased a new floor. What did you pick? Did you go laminate? Did you go LVP? Are you happy with it? And how long has it been installed? I want to hear from you.